Welcome to the world of chamomile tea, where tranquility and relaxation await. Chamomile tea is known for its soothing properties that can help calm your mind and body after a long day. By exploring the benefits of chamomile tea, you will discover how it can contribute to creating a ritual of relaxation in your daily routine. Whether you're looking to unwind before bed or simply seeking a moment of peace during a hectic day, chamomile tea offers a gentle embrace that nurtures your well-being. Delve into the myriad health benefits of chamomile tea, a delightful infusion with powerful properties. Chamomile tea is renowned for its ability to promote restful sleep, making it a perfect bedtime companion for those seeking relaxation. Moreover, its stress-reducing qualities offer a calming respite in today's fast-paced world. Embrace the digestive aid that chamomile tea provides, soothing your stomach and promoting overall wellness. With each sip, you invite a symphony of benefits that nourish both body and mind, enhancing your well-being with each comforting cup. Embark on a journey to prepare the perfect cup of chamomile tea, an artful blend of simplicity and serenity. Discover various techniques and methods to brew a delightful infusion that tantalizes your taste buds and soothes your senses. Whether you prefer loose leaf or tea bags, hot or iced, there's a preparation method that suits your palate and preferences. By mastering the art of chamomile tea preparation, you can infuse your daily routine with moments of tranquility and relaxation, creating a ritual that nurtures your well-being one sip at a time. Dive into the realm of creating a relaxing tea ritual, where the atmosphere and mindset intertwine to elevate your experience. Setting the right ambiance is crucial in enhancing the calming effects of your tea ritual, whether it's through soft lighting, calming music, or a tranquil setting. Embrace mindfulness as you prepare and savor your chamomile tea, allowing yourself to be fully present in the moment. By immersing yourself in the ceremony of tea drinking, you can create a space of peace and serenity that rejuvenates your body and soul. In the closing moments, we reflect on the profound tranquility that chamomile tea can bring into our lives. By embracing this gentle elixir, we not only nourish our bodies, but also nurture our souls. It serves as a reminder of the importance of self-care and mindfulness, urging us to prioritize moments of peace and relaxation amidst life's hustle and bustle. With each mindful sip of chamomile tea, we cultivate a sense of inner calm and gratitude, allowing ourselves to bask in the simple yet profound joy of a peaceful moment with a cup of tea.